What's up sa inyo mga kap? Happy Sunday. Alas 3 ng hapon. Maulan. So sobrang bad trip. Dapat alis tayo kaninang umaga. Hindi tayo makaalis. Well, actually maulan maghapon eh. Pero syempre nangingibabaw yung kati eh. Alam nyo yan. Kung rider ka, alam ko maiintindihan mo yung sinasabi ko. Actually mas mapaparamdam natin. Nadali tayo ng ubo at sipon. Kaya ganito yung boses ko. And as early as now, I apologize. I'm sorry kung uubo ako ng uubo. But yeah, tanggal kati lang talaga. Alam mo hindi ako mapapakalibong maghapon, magdamag pag hindi ako nag-ride eh. So that's why ito. Anyway, samantalahin na natin to bilang nandito tayo. Samantalahin na natin yung konting ganda ng panahon. Actually yun, kita nyo makulimlim pa oh. Lahat pala tumuloy na ako gabi sa Cafe Moto eh. Anyway, doon na lang din tayo pumunta ngayon. Mabilisan lang. And then since nandito na rin lang naman tayo, try na natin sagutin yung mga tanong nyo tungkol dito sa Samkey. Alright, so it's been what? Almost 3 months I think since I got this installed. So marami sa inyo nanghihingi ng feedback after several months, after 2, after 3 months. So here it is. Alright, so let's start off with the price kasi yun yung pinaka-importante. Alright, so I don't think I've mentioned it, pero the 6,500, which was the original price that I've mentioned, that was actually just an introductory price. Alright, linawin ko po ha. Introductory price lang po yung 6,500. Alright, so now that it's done, balik na po siya sa regular price niya na 7,500 pesos. Still cheap kumpara sa ibang brand na meron sa market. I know that's additional 1,000 pesos, pero yun po. Excuse me. Unfortunately yung 6.5 po is introductory price lang. Again, kung di ko siya nabanggit, I'm not sure if I did or I did not, but if in any case I did not, I'm sorry. I apologize kung di ko siya nabanggit. But nevertheless, the fact remains na 7,500 pesos na po siya today. Alright, next, ano pa ba? Ano may mga tanong nyo? Actually madami eh, naisip ko na kanina eh. Let's start with the bracket. Okay, yung stem nya, yung arm. Okay, marami sa inyo nakapansin excuse me, marami sa inyo nakapansin na iba yung sa akin. Alright, opo, iba po siya. Although it comes with an arm, yung para sa kanya, I opted to use the Moto Wolf arm. So I used to have the V3, V4, basta yung may wireless charging na phone holder ng Moto Wolf. I took it off and I just took the stem or the arm. That is why as you have noticed, iba yung sa akin. Anti-theft kumbaga. Alright, so yun lang po yun. Next, common question is, removable po ba siya? Madali po ba siyang manakaw? Technically, that's the gist of the question eh. Technically speaking, if you wish na gawin siyang tanggal kabit, by all means, you can do so. Is it convenient? Is it advisable? Hell no. Definitely not. Okay? So, bakit? Unang-una, installation, you need to consider na gusto mo siyang i-remove. If you wanted to do it that way. Sa installation pa lang dapat maisip mo na yon. Okay? Bakit ko nasabi yon? Kasi you have to make sure that it's gonna be convenient for you to attach and remove it every time you wish to. Okay? I'm talking about the cables. Ilang cables yan? I think 5, 6. So you gotta have to be ready excuse me, you gotta have to be ready na tanggalin siya every time at ikabit siya every time. So let's say punta ka sa mall, gusto mong tanggalin, be prepared na tanggalin siya, ilagay siya somewhere, tanggalin yung connections. Okay? And then once pa uwi ka na, kabit mo ulit, diba? Ang hassle, diba? So how do you prevent it na para di siya manakaw? Okay, this one is not 100%. Okay, I mean, pag gusto may paraan, alam niyo yan. Okay, but here's what I did. One, the arm. So as discussed earlier, pinalitan ko siya ng anti-theft. Okay, although like I said, kung gugustuhin, meron pa rin paraan. Okay, second, cables. As you can see, ayan yung cables ko. Okay, so nakapasok siya sa pinakailalim ng panel. Ayun, no? I don't know if you guys can see it, pero nandun siya sa pinakaloob. Alright, meaning if you wanna take the unit, you might as well cut the wire, which will render it useless. Diba? Pero like I said, kung gusto may paraan. Pero in my case, ayan siya. If you wanna get it, you might as well cut it. Ayan siya. Okay, hope that answers the question. Next up, software. Yes, nagkaroon po ng software update. Okay, it's not over the air unfortunately, like yung mamahaling brands, but there was an update. So do you have to update? Answer is, it depends. So para saan ba yung update? Unang-una, the update primarily was for the TPMS sensor. Okay, so yung mga new batches, iba na po yung TPMS sensor na gamit nila. Okay, now in order for that to work, the software needs to be updated para maging compatible. Okay, so that's the primary reason. Actually, there's another reason which is gonna be tied up to the other question na meron kayo, which is about the GPS remote. Okay, so yung mga bagong labas po, may upgraded version na rin ng GPS remote. Okay, yung bilog, yung pwedeng ilagay sa handlebar. Right, as far as I know though, masyado siyang makapal. Okay, masyado siyang makapal na to the point na I think pwede siya sa ano eh, sa silinyador mismo, kaya sa mismong grip, sa mismong handle, ganun siya kakapal. So it's not gonna fit sa dun sa mga arm, sa normal handlebar. Pwede sasapitan mo ng goma, ng interior, but that's it. Okay, so because of that too, syempre kailangan din nun ng bagong software para maging compatible. Kailangan siya because meron siyang added functionality. So if itong sa akin, meron siyang camera, a button to take photos, and then meron siyang button to answer phone calls, and then switch views right here. Okay, dun sa bago, meron na siyang additional button para in case you wanna turn off yung screen. So, for whatever reason, you don't wanna see it, you don't wanna use it. Like right now, wala naman talaga akong use sa kanya ngayon. Nandyan lang siya. Okay, I mean, if I want to turn it off, I can turn it off. So yun lang siya. Okay, that's the other change or other upgrade. Okay, what else? Any issues so far? None. I didn't have any issues so far. It's working as intended, it's working as it should. Never had any problems with it. If anything, which is not some case fault, for whatever reason, I don't know what happened, but someone, or maybe accidentally, bigla na lang na break yung bracket nung rear camera ko. Yeah, I was in Marilaki. Then good thing tinignan ko yung, nag-switch ako ng view, tinignan ko yung camera. Pagtingin ko, umiikot-ikot na siya. Nabasag pala. Okay. Now, what's gonna happen if that is the case? Don't worry, ALX got you covered. Just reach out to them. May available tayo na mga spares for replacement, just in case you need a replacement. Reach out lang kayo sa kanila. Okay, so what else? Anything else? Actually, yan lang yan eh. This should be a very short video kasi wala naman talaga. To be honest, I don't have any issues with the Samkei, with the unit itself. It works as intended. It works as advertised. It functions well. Again, never had issues, lags. Nah, I don't have that. Ganun pa rin siya. Kung ano yung performance niya before, it's still the same performance. So nothing has changed. Alright, next, I remember seeing a comment na every time daw naaalog yung device, nagre-restart, namamatay, tapos bumubukas ulit. Nagre-restart. Okay, so never happened to me. Couple of things. Could be an isolated case, could be an issue with the device itself. So if that is the case, reach out kay seller. But before that, check mo muna yung mga connection mo. Alright, check mo kung yung bracket mo is secure, hindi siya aalog-alog. Okay, make sure na nakakabit siyang mabuti. Alright, connections ng mga wires, make sure na okay siya. Make sure that it's tight and secure. Also, check the electricals, especially the ones connected to the battery. Baka mamaya hindi siya masikip, baka maluwag lang siya, kaya every time nakaalog, naglo-lose yung contact, nagre-restart. I guess guys, that's about it. This is just a short video. Again, I never had issues. I'm not saying that the device is perfect. For me it is. In a sense na I paid less, I got what I need, I'm happy with it. You know, the functions that I was looking for, I have it. So that's all I need. Okay. It works exactly how I wanted it to be. Alright, so if you guys are interested, just reach out kay ALX. Alright, that's it. Babush!